Hi and welcome to Power Online Reviews. This is a new WordPress plugin that will help you generate hundreds, if not thousands, of positive reviews for your business, your company, or your product. Now, the Power Online Reviews plugin is, as I say, a standard WordPress plugin, very easy to install, and it will automatically, as soon as you activate that plugin, it will generate your review page on your site. So here's an example that you can see now on my site. My page is called Power Online Reviews, but of course this is completely editable. Everything you see is completely editable. You can have your own image for your own business. This title and text can all be edited, and so can the color and the border, etc. on the actual review page. And of course the text and the color of the submit button can also be changed. Now it's very simple for your visitors and customers to fill in. You've got to make this very simple because you want them to do this. You send them to this page and all they need to do is put in their name and an email address and an optional phone number. Okay, then they just simply select and rate a star rating. In this case, I'm going to give a positive review. So I'm going to give a nice 4-star review and simply press the submit button. And it's as easy as that. Literally takes just a few seconds. Now, because they've posted a positive review, you want them to tell the world about you. You want them to go to one of the third-party sites and give you a positive rating there as well, so the world can see those reviews. You give them this message. Again, this is fully editable. Thank you for the great rating. Please tell the world about us. It'll only take 15 seconds. And you can select by clicking one of the logos below. Now in this case we've got the option of Yelp, TripAdvisor or Yell, but again these are completely optional, can be changed. I'll show you that in just a second. So let's just go and click the Yelp button and it immediately takes you to your business's review. And they don't have to do anything other than just select the star review. So they've given you a good review once, so it's likely they'll give you a good review again. They can type in a physical review if they wish. And they can click to send their review onto the Yelp site. Okay, that's what happens when they give a positive review. So let's just see how that changes slightly if they don't give you a positive review. So we'll have the same information again on our review page, but this time I'm just going to select a 2-star review. So obviously as a customer, I'm not happy. I click my submit button, but this time, instead of being then prompted to go to a third-party site, you're asked to give some feedback. We are very sorry we do not seem to have delivered the level of service that you would have liked. Please help us to help you by telling us a bit more about how we could have improved your experience in the box below. And in here, of course, they can then write a review of what they liked or what they didn't like about their visit to your business or their experience with your company. And of course, they submit that. Again, it only takes a couple of seconds. But this time, instead of sending off to a third-party review site, it's saved to you so that you can manage that. You can then respond to that particular complaint or that particular review, and you can then engage with that customer and have the opportunity then to turn that customer back into a happy customer and then less likely to go to a third-party review site and give you some bad press. So that's how it works on the front end, how it looks on the front end. Let me just show you how you configure it on the back end. So let me just show you what we capture on the back end of that bad review. You'll see that all the reviews you've had are here with their contact details, the ratings, and you can delete or view the full details. But the last one I did is down here. So as you can see, it's got my name on there, an email address, telephone number, just a 2-star rating, and then I can actually view that and it will show me the full details in a separate box plus the message that they left, so that we can now deal with this customer, improve their view of us by dealing with this appropriately before they start to pass a bad name around in the public. Now, it's very easy to configure everything on there. As I said, you simply enable the plugin or install and activate the plugin and everything will be generated for you. Now all you need to do then is complete the form editing here, and this gives you the option to literally edit everything you like. So we have the main image, so remember the image of your business, so you can create your own image or take an image from your business portfolio and upload that image. And you can set a default title and text in that initial review form. And you can change the background color and the submit button color and its text. Now the follow-up review form, so this is the good review form after they've given you a good rating. You then ask them to give you a public review, and you can add in these public review links. Just put the name in there, that's just for your own reference. And then you have the logo, so you can upload any logo image you want, and the URL, which is the actual URL that they would go to give you a review of your business. And you can do that by going on to whatever third-party site you set up, and just go as if you're going to do your own review, and then copy and paste that URL in here. And you can store up to 5 of these third-party review sites in the plugin, and you can decide whether to display them or not. If you're in this example, I've just got 3 written in there and all 3 enabled. Finally, on the bad review form, we can decide what text we want to put in there. And similarly, on the good review form, you can decide what text you want in there as well. And for both those forms, you can set the background color and the submit button and the text of that button as well. And finally, there's the good rating. So you can decide what you want as a good rating. We suggest you have that at 4 stars. So a good rating now means that any 4 or 5-star rating will be passed to the good review page, and any 1, 2 or 3-star rating will be passed to the bad review page. And that's Power Online Reviews, the fastest and quickest and best way for you to generate masses of positive reviews on third-party review sites. A guaranteed boost for your business.